All right, good morning, everyone. Tony Laporta here with TonyLaporta.com. Anyhow, I just went through a big song and dance in the trade room about why I'm hanging up my trading boots, why I'm taking more money out of my trading account, why my timing is wrong. I mean, and more than anything else is yesterday I make an addict trade, and because of it right now, I'm basically losing 10 ticks on a 10 lot in the bonds. That's $3,125. And I made 100 bucks, 125 bucks on a 5 lot S&P position after that position being at most $1,000 to $1,200 loss yesterday and coming back and blah 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 blah. The point is I've made some really really good money this year, and my freaking ego is so big that I'm starting to, I'm not trading the way I should be trading. I'm not obeying the rules. I'm making addict trades, and now they're costing me money. So some of the reading I'm doing is looking for the bond markets to bottom out today. We'll see how this finishes. If I get a close in the bonds above 147 even, I'll be adding on to the position. I'll guarantee you that. But right now they're at 20 bid at 21. I'm long at 30 at 10 lot. SPOOs are 19 trade. The Dow futures are going to open up at all these indice futures are going to open up at new highs for the move. The Dow futures are opening up, meeting the 3-day island bottom objective. And we obviously have to keep an eye on the NASDAQ. That's opening up at new highs for the move. But it's been the NASDAQ that has kind of lagged the whole way. It's the NASDAQ that brought us up earlier in the quarter. And it's the NASDAQ that's been kind of lagging a little bit of late. It was the NASDAQ that led the markets down yesterday morning, but then it also brought recovered just as quick. So I don't know. It's if you haven't read Ira Notes from the Underground, it's what he wrote over the weekend. Trade the trend, but trade it with caution. So Ira's seeing warning flags. I've got possible bearish divergences in the Eurostoxx 50 and the NASDAQ, and those are my two markets that I love when the Eurostoxx 50 leads, and I love when the NASDAQ leads, and they're throwing me warning flags. So I got to be careful, and it's a lot easier to be careful when you don't have $150,000 in your trading account. I paid myself again this morning, and I'm going to pay myself again tomorrow especially if I get stopped out of this bond trade, and then I just start again trading 2s and 3s instead of 10s. 17 lots. I had a 17 lot position in the SPOOs last week. I mean, okay, it was a good position. Market was going up, but still 17 lots. I mean, that's crazy. That's crazy. That moves 10 handles. It's $850, $8,500. So I need to come back down to earth. And I know myself. I know when I walk through a freaking door, I got to duck my head. I know my ego. So Mr. Market will sort out your weaknesses. And that's why I'm taking money out of my account. So sorry about the long webcast. This is Tony Laporta with TonyLaporta.com signing off. Like I always say, everyone else will teach you how to trade. And it'll cost you tens of thousands of dollars to learn how to trade. I'll teach you how to make money. For those of you, I have a trial, a $17 2-week trial. Come have a look. It's $17 for 2 weeks. In my drinking days, I used to spill more than $17 in 2 weeks. Cheers.